Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. For today's card, I'm featuring the Better Together stamp set. It is a stamp set from our 2017-2018 annual catalog, one of my favorites. It has a lot of varieties and a variety of sentiments and also a variety of images as well. So like this image, the little safety pin, I'm stamping in soft sky ink in a random fashion. This card is going to my sister's niece who just had a baby, and unfortunately I wasn't able to attend the baby shower, but I will send them a card. So this is just regular white, whisper white that I'm using, nothing special. I'm inking up the sentiment that says congratulations on your new arrival with Marina Mist, and using some fast fuse to adhere that to a Marina Mist mat, cutting it with my paper snips, and then more fast fuse on the back and adhering that to the soft sky mat. So it's a double mat going on. And something like this, for in like a design, it's a really simple background, really simple to put together. But sometimes it is nice to have a variety of, say, like in this particular one, blues for a boy, for different colors and mats, just to add a little added interest. So I'm adhering the card, Whisper White card, to the Marina Mist mat, and then I'll adhere that to my soft sky base. So I also wanted to take a minute here and invite you guys to join me on Facebook tomorrow, which is Tuesday, February 13th, 2018, for a little chat and some crafting. It'll be at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, of course, because I'm in Western Canada, and that would be February 13th. I'd love to have you. Going to do a little crafting, have a little chat. Okay, so that is white organza ribbon. I'm just tied a little pretty bow. And then here I have a soft sky card base, just folding that with my bone folder. And then I'm going to adhere the whole kit and caboodle to the front of the card, and also that sentiment piece. So I did a pink version, and I used powder pink and rose red. So thanks so much for joining me, and I will catch you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf to visit my website, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.